Hello student, welcome to today's session on systems of accounting. I mean cash versus accrual system. I'll walk us through in three portions: introduction to system of accounting, post that cash system of accounting, and the last one would be the accrual system accounting. Okay, so to begin with, introduction to systems of accounting. So accounting system is nothing but the record financial transaction of a business. So initially, if you're talking about the entry or the recording of the transactions, it is used in general, right? So all the general entry is the basic entry, which is recorded for each and every businesses. So there are two main systems to record it, okay? And based upon the conventions, right? So it is going concern method and the static one. So we cannot change in between. Okay. So these two systems, one is cash system, another is accrual system. So if some businesses uses the cash system of the accounting, they cannot change in between in any year. Okay. So there should be some notification or something if they are going to change any or switching the cash system to accrual system. Okay, so the two main system is one is cash system of accounting, another one is accrual system of accounting. So choosing the right system impacts how income and expense are recorded. Okay, so it is definitely impacting the overall picture of the business, overall health of the business. Okay, and based upon that, company decides, or maybe the stakeholders think about the prospect of the business. Okay, what is cash system of accounting? So in cash system of accounting, as name suggests, transactions are recorded only when cash is received or paid. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned that if it is not received, even it is due, it should not be recorded in the books of account. It is only possible when cash is received or paid. So if you're talking about expense is concerned, only those expenses are recorded if it is paid. And if you're talking about receivable side, if it is really received, okay, then it would be recorded in the books of accounts. Simple and suitable for a small entities or individuals. It is very common. Okay, so it is suitable for a small businesses as well or individual as well. They can easily record if they are using that cash system of accounting. So it is a kind of hassle free. There is no much technicalities required or the understanding required to do so. For example, if fees are received in March but received in February or earned in February, it is recorded in March only, not in Feb, right? Because cash is received in March instead of February. So this system is known as cash system. If it is received or if it is paid, then and then it is recorded in the books of account. So in short, no record of outstanding amount, right? It could be credit sales, it could be purchase, or maybe the credit purchase, that should not be recorded in the books of accounts. So no record of outstanding account, especially if it is used cash system of accounting. I hope it is clear to all. Okay. Now moving to the next one, that is the accrual system of accounting. So accrual system, as name suggests, it is based upon our accrued basis. Okay, so transactions are recorded when they are earned or incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. It doesn't matter if it is received or paid, but if it is due, if it is incurred, if it is earned, definitely it should be recorded if anyone is using accrual system of accounting. So in short, transactions are recorded when they are earned or incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. It provides true financial positions of the business. Definitely, if you are comparing cash versus accrual, this is more accurate. Okay, so it provides a true financial position of the business. So suppose if rent due in the month of March, okay, and it is not paid till April. So it doesn't matter, I mean, if it is paid or not, but for the recording per se, in the accrual system, it should be recorded in the March itself. Okay, so I mean, that will provide the true financial position of the business. Else or otherwise, it will a kind of, not showing the accurate picture of the business. So for example, another example I can give, fees earned in February, right? Fees earned in February, even if received in March, are recorded in February only. So in this system, even though it is not received, it should be recorded in the books of account so that it will give true financial position of the business. Okay. Next one is record all outstanding incomes and expenses. I mean, the credit transactions are included as well. So all the outstanding incomes or all the outstanding expenses must be recorded in the accrual system of accounting. So if you are comparing these two systems, cash versus accrual system, so in cash, transaction is only recorded when it is received or earned. Okay, if it is not received, it should not be recorded. In the accrual system, it doesn't matter, even it is not received. Okay, if it is incurred or earned, it should be recorded in the books of accounts. Second point, if you're talking about cash system of accounting is concerned, it is very straightforward, or any individual or any small businesses can use that cash system. However, accrual system, it requires some more understanding of accounting, because it is based upon the outstanding. Okay, even though it's outstanding income, it has to be recorded, or expenses, it's to be recorded in the books of account. So if you are talking about true financial position is concerned, only accrual system will give true financial position of the business instead of cash system. Next one, talking about the stakeholder is concerned, definitely mostly stakeholders are interested to have the accrual system of accounting. So a stakeholder could be maybe shareholders, government, creditors, it could be anyone, right? So mostly they are looking for the exact or true financial position of the business, so they are more interested to have the accrual system instead of cash system. All right, so just to summarize, the cash system, it has also own benefit, like it is easy to record, right? However, weightage is concerned, definitely accrual system or accrual basis system is more preferable than cash system. So that's all for today's session. I hope you all understand the topic. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next time. If you have any doubt, please contact me through my Urban Pro profile. Thank you.